Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Find My Phone feature on your Casio Edifice watch. This is model ECB-S100D. It's kind of a cool feature. This is not a smartwatch, but it does have a Bluetooth connection to your phone, so you can use the Casio Watches app to adjust settings, sync your time, so on and so forth. One of the things I'll mention is in that Casio Watches app, you can actually adjust the sound it plays whenever it finds your phone, and you can adjust the volume levels. I'm not going to go into that. You do not have to have the Casio Watches app running in the background on your phone, but if you're at least an Apple user, if you don't want to have it running in the background, you have to go to your privacy settings and make sure the Casio Watches app can always use your location. So let's go ahead and let's do it. The bottom right button on the watch, if you press it one time, it will make a connection to your cell phone and sync the time. We're not going to press it. We're going to press and hold the bottom right button. When we press and hold it, you'll notice it goes into the find mode, and now it's looking for my cell phone. You can tell it's making a noise on my phone. It's basically playing that sound that I said you can control. It's letting me know where my phone is. At any point, if you're done, you can press really any of the buttons. I tend to press the top left one, and that stops the find feature once you found your cell phone. Anyway, kind of a cool feature. I hope the video helps.